Rfissa is shared, not just served. Every ingredient here has a job and a story. The flavor begins here with saffron in patient hands. We turn the chicken slowly to build a deeper broth. Water meets flour, and the trid begins. After resting, each dough ball is gently stretched by hand until it's almost see-through. It cooks fast, but we flip it slow so the softness stays inside. We add the lentils now. They'll carry the sauce with depth. Gently tear the trid into small pieces, then place them into the steamer. Place the Cornish hens in the oven and let them roast until golden and crispy. And there it is, the amazing Rfissa, ready to be served. Baseha! Taste Morocco's magic at tajinerecipes.com. Tradition you can savor.